WYWNA street lamp 960. This has a longer depth of 3 inches to produce 30% more light. 960 beads with a 20,000 milliamp battery. From dusk to dawn, detects motion with the PIR sensor that will turn on at nighttime and detect that motion and light up. We have the light over here with the instruction guide, a white pole and bracket. You get everything you need to install your street lamp post. You need to put this in direct sun for a number of hours for the first full day in order for it to work. We could turn it on. As you can see, it lights up, and turn it off. It comes well packaged and it's not a super heavy light. 12 to 24 feet, 25-foot distance with the remote control to run the unit. This has the solar panels you can see, and all the lights indeed. Take off the film and protective, and we're getting ready to install. We'll give you a nice close-up look at the street lamp. This is the remote control, excluding the 2 AAA batteries that you're going to install and use the unit to turn on and off. The off, the 2, a 4, a 6-hour use, the sensor, and the light. All the hardware, anchors, and supplies are needed here. Everything you need to install your bracket up, except for lag bolts. A simple on and off, the PIR sensor, and all the LED lights. Your 20,000 milliamp battery is located in this area. Your bracket goes into here one particular way and locks into place. If you're mounting on the pole, you put this together like so. What we are going to do is install this up in the driveway, show you what it looks like at nighttime, and give you the idea of bright light. Find a location where it's best for you to install your street lamp. Use the proper screws and bolts to put it up. You have these bolts already put into place. You're going to loosen all 4 up. You're going to slide this all the way down, and you're going to lock it into place. Supply some AAA batteries, put it to the remote control, and what you're going to do is either you're going to try to turn it on. If it doesn't turn on, cover up and then try turning it on. Here's the remote with the light button. It's on. You have 2-hour, 4-hour, 8-hour, the sensor, and off. So we're going to hit the light button. We're all set up for nighttime. Up there is your indicator of charging. This is charge. This is the on and off button, so you don't have to come up here, turn it off, and turn it on all the time. Use the remote control to do that. WYWNA street lights. They come in many shapes and sizes and different types of controls and patterns. We're going to see how this looks at night. 30% more brightness because of the 3-inch depth and 960 lights, and that's how it got its name. So let's come back at night and check it on out. As you see, nighttime is falling and the lights are coming on, and you have the street lamp well lit, and we're going to turn it off, and then we're going to turn it on. When it detects motion, the light will light up nice and bright, and after so many seconds, it will start to dim down and stay dim dusk to dawn until it detects motion again. If we need to set the light, we hit the sensor, as it takes some time for it to adjust. We'll step out of the beam of the light and the sensor. Within about a minute's time, the light will dim down, a very dull light, 30% light. Depending on the height you have your light, it will sense you and come on. So as I step underneath the thing, I could just about trick it to come on. I have to be underneath it if it's this slow. So we give it time to shut down. as we step away from the PIR sensor, you can see how well and nice and lit this is. So if you're looking for something of this type of light, 1,000 watts, 960 LEDs with a depth of 3 inches to make this 30% brighter, 30 seconds is off. This is a dusk to dawn. Weather, winter, summer, spring, fall. This withstand IP rated. It could get soaking wet and it'll still run. I hope this is something of a LED light to light up your driveway, a pathway, an office area, anywhere you need to have light for your needs. Enjoy your product if this is right for you.